Welcome the mathematics students. Base part second. You are already study just like the set and functions. Sets. Our study is start set. And the sets you are already known power sets. A be any sets, then set of all subset of A is called power sets of A and it is denoted by row of A, just like you are already known power set. Similarly, this is here universal sets. Here the sets under consideration regarded as the subsets of fixed set. Such set is called universal sets and it is denoted by capital letter U or capital letter X. Means any subsets fixed set of subsets is called universal sets. Universal set serves as the frame of reference for particular discussions. You are already known. Consider the set of natural number sets and then the set of Z of integer sets. Then the set R of all real numbers can be taken as universal sets. Mean A and Z are two sets and these all are here included in R sets. This is here R is the universal sets. Just like this is here introduction you are already known. Here today's article is operations on sets. Operations means arithmetic operations. Here addition, subtraction, multiplication and just like divisions are here operations. First start of here this is union of sets. If A and B are two sets, then the sets of all those elements which belongs to A or belongs to B or both A and B are called the union of sets A and B. Means two sets are given, then these combining two sets of all elements or objects combining together we get the unions. And just like this is it is united by A union B. Here this is mathematical definition can be written as A union B is equal to X oblique X belongs to A or X belongs to R or X belongs to both A and B. Obviously A is subset of A union B and B is subset of A union B. That Venn diagram of for A and B. Here A totally this is square brackets, this is Venn diagram for A and A union B is here total rectangular set is X consideration. Here A set and B set combining this is here taken shaded regions in the diagram. A set and B set given all elements of this consideration we get A union B. Below one example, if A equal to this is 1 to 9 odd numbers and B is equal to here 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 numbers. A union B is equal to here 1 is 1, here 2, here B sets 2, here 3, 3, here 4, 4, that is 5, that is here 6, that is 7 and 8 number is not exist, this is 9. Total A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 elements, just like this. Here A is set of non-negative integers, B is set of non-negative integers and B set is negative integers. Then A union B is the set of all integers, just like A union B combining two sets non-negative numbers means positive and 0, and this B is the negative integers combining together, we get this is integer sets. Properties of union sets. There are properties of union sets. Let A, B, C be subsets of universal sets. There are universal set is here three sets are given in X. Then that is simple properties, that is commutative property, the associative property, and this third is A is subset of A union B, B is subset of A union B, means A and B are subset of both unions. If A is a subset of B, A, then A union B is equal to B, that is particular case. A union X is equal to X, A union phi is A. Here just like this, if A is subset of C, B is subset of C, then A union B is subset of C, that is simple properties. Therefore, next article, intersection of sets. If A and B are subsets of universal set A, then the set of those elements which belongs to both A and B, that is which are common to both A and B, are called intersection of sets A and B. Means both are combined common elements are this is A and B, that is takes set take in intersection A, and which is denoted by A intersection B. A intersection B in mathematically A intersection B equal to X oblique X belongs to A and X belongs to B, means X element is in A also in B, then this common element is intersection text. Here Venn diagram to draw in shaded regions A intersection B. Similarly, this is given one example. If A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, below B is sets 5, 9, 11, 12. Observe. Then both of common elements A and B is here A intersection B denoted, and then A intersection B equal to here 5 element is both are common. Also this is 9 element is both are common. Other elements are not, means A intersection B is 5 and 9. Illustration, that is second example, just like this is similar, this is a given. If A is sets X such that X belongs to 3 times n is Z means integer sets, just like this is A set is 3 times natural numbers. B set is X belongs to X such that X belongs to twice n belongs to Z, means just like all are even integers. And this is A intersection B, we get this is a common elements are equals. Here A intersection B is equal to here 0, 6, 12, just like this is here all are even numbers, odd numbers. Therefore, this is only even numbers in A, and this is here exist both are common, we get this, means 0, 6, 12 dot dot, this is integers, here 6 times X such that X belongs to 6n, n belongs to Z. Therefore, this is simple intersection of elements, we get this. Disjoint sets, two sets are, this is a disjoint. This is you are already known, there is no common elements, both sets. Then this set is called A intersection B is exist phi, just like two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if A intersection B equal to phi. Here take this is a B is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and A is a 5, 6, 7, 8. Observe this both sets, there is no common elements. Then A and B are have no common elements, such as A intersection B is a phi. Here A and B are disjoint sets. Properties of intersection sets, that is simple. Consider as A, B, C, B subsets of universal sets X. then A intersection B, then the properties are A intersection B, B intersection A. Means commutative law is the intersection operation is satisfied. Also associative property is satisfied. A intersection A, that is same, both are. A intersection phi is phi. A intersection X means universal set, that is A. If A intersection B, then A is subset of B, then A intersection B is A. Here A intersection B is subset of A, then A intersection B is a B. Therefore, complement of sets. Complement of set. Here complement of set, that is defined relative complements, means two sets are relative to each others. If A and B are two sets, then the complement of A is relative to B is the set of set B upon A is equal to X. X belongs to B and X belongs to not A. This can also be denoted by B minus A or read as B minus A. In case A by B can be defined as A by B, X such that X belongs to A and X not belongs to B, which can also be written as A minus B. Here the given relations, this is on the Venn diagram. Observe Venn diagram for B upon A and A upon B. Here B of complement given A is sets and this B is shaded regions B by A, and here A by B, A is this and this is here B complements. Here B is shaded regions, means here B minus A is a limits from these sets. Also here this A by B means A minus B, just like intersection of A intersection B complements are take, we get this. Example here given, just like A is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. There are 6 numbers. B sets are elements or objects 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 11, 15. Here B minus A means here just like B, its complement of A takes. Here this is observe B intersection complement of A is equal to here present in B but not present in A elements. Here just like 2. Similarly this is 3 and these 6 are presented, 8 are presented, just like this is a 10 presented, 11th this is a not presented, this is take here 15s, only this is here 2, 3, 15 elements. Also A minus B find its, means A B its complement, here B complements, here these elements leave its remaining, this is a 4, here 3 leave its, 6 leave its, and this is 8 leaves, then 10 leaves. Here elements are presented and this is 12 and this means A minus B is 4, 11, 12. This is here 3 numbers, just like B minus A minus B, and we get this is here. Also this is finding A union B, A intersection B, and this is different types of can be written as. Next, complement of set relation to universal set X. Let A be the subset of universal set X. X is this is big set and this capital A is a subset of X. Then the complement of A relative to X is the set of all those elements of X which do not belongs to A, and it is denoted by A dash or A complement. Means A dash is equal to X, such that x belongs to not A. And just like this is here, all elements of x complement of A means all elements of x remaining A. Then this set is complement of A, which can be drawn by x minus A also. Venn diagram to draw that this is A and this is x. A sets limits remaining all elements is a complement of A dash. Here example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and capital X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is here complement of A dash by definition. Here x of all elements, x belongs to x, but x belongs to not A means A of all elements leave it remaining all elements, that is A complements. Here 1, 3, 5 leave it 1, 3, 5 leave it remaining 2, 4, 6 elements are complement of A. Complement. Complement of complement is the set itself. A dash of A dash. A dash of dash is A. Complement of universal set X is empty set. That is capital X dash is equal to phi. Complement of empty set is universal set. Means phi dash is equal to X. Fourth property, if A is subset of B, then B dash is subset of A dash. If X belongs to B dash, then X belongs to not B, which means that X belongs to not A, as such X belongs to A dash. Implies that B dash is subset of A. That today's article is here finished. Today's lecture is completed. Next lectures we are started. Next articles some symmetric difference of two sets. बघूया पुढच्या लेक्चरला काय असेल ते पुढचा पार्ट्स. थँक्स. ओके.